Hello traders, welcome to the TradeX channel. In this video, we are going to introduce our new product, the Smart FVG and iFVG Zones Indicator for MetaTrader 5. We will cover everything you need to know. First, we will set it up. Then, we will go over how it works on the chart. And finally, we will run a backtest. Stay until the end of this video so you don't miss any important information. Alright, after you drag the indicator onto your chart, you will see this window. If you open the Inputs tab, you will notice that this indicator has three different sections. The first section is about general setting. The first input is candles to consider for calculation, and it has four different modes: all candles, last 1000 candle, and last 500 candles, or last 100 candles. The second input is height intersection. Sometimes two price levels overlap, or one appears inside another. To make sure your chart looks clean, we added this option, so you can keep it neat and organized. Here you can see the difference. The left picture shows it with intersection restriction and the right one without it. Now let's move to the second part, which is FVG settings. The first input here lets you toggle FVG visibility on or off. The next input controls the display modes of FVG levels, and you can see each mode directly on the chart. Next, you can customize support level colors, choosing any color you prefer. The following input is similar but applies to resistance levels. Another input lets you display labels on FVG levels, helping you easily identify them when multiple indicators are on your chart. Then you have an input to show only the most recently detected FVGs. For example, setting it to 3 will show 3 FVGs in each direction, 3 support and 3 resistance levels. The last input in this section is a filter that limits the display to FVGs within a maximum number of points from the last closed candle. For example, if you set it to 500, it will only show FVG levels less than 500 points away. And if you're not sure what a point means, it's the smallest price movement on the chart, 5 decimal places for Euro USD and 2 for gold. As you can see, the iFVG settings are almost identical to the FVG ones, so we won't go through them one by one. Just know that every setting available for FVGs is also available for iFVGs. Now let's talk about how this indicator actually works. If you're not familiar with FVGs or iFVGs, take a look at this picture. FVG or fair value gaps are imbalances that appear when a strong price movement starts. Typically, when the price revisits these zones, it reacts and pulls back. iFVGs or inverse FVGs work similarly, but they represent FVGs that have already been broken. Usually, when a FVG is broken, it forms another FVG that creates a BPR or breaker block pattern. That's why these levels are considered important. Our indicator scans each candle from the most recent to the oldest, detects all FVGs, removes the broken ones, and applies your selected filters to show valid FVGs and iFVGs on the chart. You can see examples where the price reacts strongly to these zones, and with a solid trading strategy, these levels can be highly profitable. If you don't know what a trading strategy is, check out the video above. It explains what you need to build one. Before we move on to backtesting, let me quickly introduce our MQ5 sales page. We provide high quality indicators, expert advisors, and utilities designed especially for MetaTrader 5. Our goal is to deliver the best quality and top notch customer support. If you don't know how to purchase a product from mq5.com, watch the video above. It will walk you through the process. Here you can see some of our other products as well. We also offer custom development services. If you have an idea for a profitable trading tool or application, we can design and build it for you. Now let's get back to our indicator and run the backtest. Now let's run a backtest and see how the FVGs and iFVGs behave separately. Alright, that was the indicator we wanted to introduce today. We hope this video has been helpful and we invite you to download the indicator and give it a try. The link to the product is in the first line of the description and also pinned in the top comment. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and remember, here at TradeX, we trade fast and think smart. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.